Facts about Coreidae, leaf-footed bugs. The Coreidae family, commonly known as leaf-footed bugs or squash bugs, is a fascinating group of insects in the order Hemiptera, true bugs. Here's a quick dive into what makes them so intriguing. Coreidae at a glance. Scientific classification. Order, Hemiptera. Suborder, Heteroptera. Family, Coreidae. Common names: leaf-footed bugs, squash bugs, twig-wilters. Global reach: found worldwide, but most diverse in tropical and subtropical regions. What makes them unique? Many species have leaf-like expansions on their hind legs, hence the name, leaf-footed. They possess scent glands that release a strong odor when threatened. Their antennae have 4 segments, and their wings often show numerous veins in the membrane. Feeding habits: most Coreids are plant feeders, using their piercing sucking mouthparts to draw sap from stems, fruits, and seeds. Some species are agricultural pests, like Antennae, the squash bug, which damages cucurbits like squash and pumpkins. Diversity and size: over 1,900 species in more than 270 genera. Sizes range from 7 mm to 45 mm, with some of the largest true bugs belonging to this family. Cool behaviors: some species, like Phylomorpha laciniata, show parental care by carrying eggs on their backs, an unusual trait among insects. Nymphs, juveniles, often resemble adults but lack fully developed wings.